Good morning. So we saw yesterday Nifty correct, although it started with in a positive note in the first half of the day, but in the second half of the day it started correcting and sliding to close below its previous close, and it almost closed by minus 0.3%. So this is a typical behavior of a market. As soon as it is inching towards its previous high, lifetime high, the market behavior tries to become apprehensive, and then many long positions start seeing unwinding, uh, assuming that there could be a correction before it sees a new high or it's breaking its previous high. So this is the normal typical behavior, and what I can judge from my past experience that in this month at least market would be very volatile in this 100 points range, and the maximum level what it can reach in this month or this expiry will be 6250. uh, and if anything the new high has to be made, it will be coming in the next month itself. So uh, this is the normal market behavioral how the market behaves when when it reaches very close to its previous high, and nothing new about it, but just to make you aware that how the market will behave in the at least next 10 days. To talk about some global market, yeah, Japan market has opened almost flattish. Yesterday, US market was also flattish. Just there was a buzz of Yahoo buying a new technology company called Tumblr. So there was nothing much in US market yesterday night. To talk about some domestic news for that will be a key for today's trading session. We Yesterday oil ministry actually they are discussing this particular proposal of hiking the natural gas prices produced from the domestic field to $6.7 per unit, and then there is also a proposal to review it on a quarterly basis. So the oil ministry is actually serious of hiking the natural gas prices produced from the domestic field, which is a good if it happens, it will be a very good positive sign for Reliance and other uh, KG basin companies, exploration companies. Second company to watch for would be the Coal India, whose profit has jumped by 90%, basically backed by higher dividends from its subsidiaries companies. So that would be another company, and they have also declared a good dividend, annual dividend. Third company will be R Infra, where it has decided to pull out of almost 20,000 crore of project worth of projects, sensing or to just contain the potential losses in this project. So maybe the reasons like delay in the project launches, and maybe not able to get the proper licenses on time or from the government and etc. So they have decided to pull out almost 20,000 crore of projects. Third is about Titan, where they have decided to reduce their expansion speed, where they will be where they earlier their target was opening 3 to 4 mega store of 10,000 square feet per store. Now they are reducing that particular target, and they will be concentrating more on 3,000 to 5,000 square feet area of stores. Fourth will be Suzlon, where they have decided to repay its investor where it had defaulted on $209 million of FCCB. So the plan is to they will be raising they will be issuing some notes, dollar currency notes, and raising the money to fund this repayment. So these are some stock specific news. We have some important result lined up. Few of them are JK Paper, Prestige Estate, Tech Mahindra. So this is the summary for today's market session. We expect the market to trade sideways. That's all for today. We'll come with the latest update for tomorrow's session next morning. Thank you.